In the previous videos, we took all of the stuff out of our emails and out of OneNote that represented obligations in our life, and we moved them into Evernote. Now the next natural step here would be to clarify those obligations and to organize them appropriately in our organizational system. Before we do that though, I need to set up the appropriate notebooks in Evernote. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to my Evernote to show you how to set up the notebooks so that your organizational system is prepared. Okay, we have Evernote here, and of course you can see the notes that we've been creating over the last two videos. And I'm going to go to the notebooks here and show you that I have created the corresponding notebooks, and I want to show you that there is a relationship between what's in notebook and what's in the map. So I'm going to go to the map here, and you can see I have for Evernote listed next actions, someday maybe, agendas, waiting on, lists, and project support material. If I go to Evernote here, inbox, next actions, someday maybe, waiting on, agenda, lists, and then reference material is the same as that project support material. Evernote does something interesting, which is that it allows you to store multiple notebooks under what it calls a stack. So if I double click here, you can see that GTD support material, insurance, and logins are multiple notebooks that exist under a single stack called reference material. This allows me to create as many notebooks as I need under reference material to subdivide my reference material. Now, to create a new notebook here, all you have to do is hit the new notebook button, and you'll be able to create the corresponding buckets that you need. If I go to tags here, tags are another important item, and I've created the tags computer, errands, home, office, and phone. These tags allow me to subdivide my to-do list. If I go back to my map here, you can see where I wrote context-specific next actions. That's what a tag allows you to do. It allows you to take any note that you're working on, say actions to perform ahead of GTD meeting, and if I can create a GTD habits checklist at my computer, then I can use the computer tag designation so that when I look at my tags, I can see only the next actions associated with working at the computer. The same applies for at work and at personal. If I take that same note and I designate it as at personal, then I can see all of the notes associated with the tag at personal. So let's look here. There it is, at personal. This allows me to subdivide my to-do list via personal and work so that I can see only the to-do items that are either personal or work related. And then I could further subsort to find only those next actions associated with working at a computer, errands, home, office, or phone. Logins and insurance are not necessarily a part of the GTD system, although it is helpful to tag your notes when they are associated with logins or insurance because it acts as a quick way of finding these items. Okay, so that's it. We've set up our tags and we've set up our notebooks, and we're ready to process our GTD inbox. So in the next video, what we'll be doing is we'll be focusing on this GTD inbox, using the GTD decision tree to move items out of the inbox and into our green buckets.